Most people get this wrong. They assume all savings accounts are basically the same, offering minimal interest and no real perks. But Next Wave Savings in 2026 is proving that a modern savings account can actually help you grow your money faster while keeping things simple. Next Wave Savings is designed with accessibility, transparency, and growth in mind. From the moment you open an account, the platform emphasizes ease of use. The sign-up process is fully digital and straightforward, with quick identity verification and instant account setup. You can start saving in just a few minutes without ever stepping into a branch. One of the standout features is its tiered interest system. Even if you start small, your balance earns a respectable rate, and as you deposit more, the rate increases. For example, accounts with balances over $5,000 earn higher interest automatically, encouraging smarter saving habits. The surprising truth is that many people overlook this compounding effect. It may not seem huge at first, but over time it can significantly grow your wealth. Next Wave also comes with goal-setting tools built right into the app. You can create multiple goals like an emergency fund, vacation, or home purchase, and the app helps allocate funds automatically toward each. Most people underestimate how visual progress tracking and automatic allocation can motivate consistent saving. But Next Wave makes it simple. Security is another key point. The bank uses bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication to keep your funds safe. Plus, alerts and notifications help you monitor activity and prevent potential fraud. However, there are a few limitations. Next Wave focuses solely on savings. It doesn't offer checking accounts, loans, or investment options. If you are looking for a full-service bank, you'll need to pair it with another provider. But if your priority is straightforward, high-yield saving with modern tools, this is exactly what makes it valuable. So, is Next Wave Savings worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone looking to grow their money safely, set achievable financial goals, and benefit from a seamless digital experience. With the right approach, your savings can grow faster than you think. Subscribe for more honest finance reviews that cut through the hype and help you make smarter money decisions.